spin. We've got 850, then keep left, then 20 metres straight on.
How far to the keep left?
850. So 500, keep left, then straight on. And come around to the left a little bit, and then straight on. 580, keep left. Now this will actually be a crossroads that we're sort of just bending to the left on in about 400 metres. Keep left. Nice. 370, bear right. So up here, bear right, and we'll come onto a main road. And yep, here it is. 650, turn right, slippery. 500, turn right, slippery. 300, 200, turn right, slippery, and it'll be a bit more than 90 degrees.
Yep.
200. 100, turn right, slippery. Here it is. And in about 1.2 k's, we're going to have a caution, road goes right, slippery, stump on outside. So 1 kilometre, then caution, road goes right. 500, caution, road goes right, slippery, stump on outside. 400. 300. 200. 100, road goes right, slippery. Caution, road goes right, slippery, stump on outside. Caution, road goes right, slippery. Stump on outside. There he is. And we've got about 600 metres to a bare left. Keep your eyes peeled for the bare left, because I accidentally zeroed then. So 130, keep left, then 30, keep left. Keep left, then 30, keep left. Yep. Got 500, and then a road goes right. Fence on outside. 300. 200, road goes right. 100, road goes right. 200, this will be him. And in 600 we're going to be keep right, turning off of the main road, and it'll be, well, sorry, staying on the main road, it'll be slippery. Yep. So 300, 200, 100, keep right. So caution, slippery. So keep right, caution, slippery. Yep, that's him. We've got 500, road goes left narrow between trees, then 50, road goes right. Yep. So in about 250, keep your eyes peeled.
Left, then right.
Left, then right, between trees. So this will be it here, I reckon. Maybe not. This is up here, yep. So left, then right. Ooh, very narrow. And in 200 metres, we've got road goes right, stump on outside, then 30, road goes left. So we've got right, then a left, stumps on the outside. 100 metres. Right. Got 880, road goes left, then 50, bare left. So 500 metres, road goes left, then 50, bare left. And there's going to be a little right-hander in the middle of them as well, I think. 400, road goes left, then 50, bare left. 300. 200, road goes left, then 50, bare left. 100. Road goes left, then 50, bare left. 1.3 kilometres to a keep left, then 30, keep left. To a keep left, then keep left. Yep. So 500, keep left, then keep left. 300, keep left, then keep left. 200, 100, keep left, then keep left. And we've got 600 metres, road goes left over culvert. 300, road goes left over culvert, so watch out for him. 200, 100, road goes left over culvert. This will be him. I'm assuming. Yep. 2 kilometres to a straight on, then 30 straight on. left, don't cut, grade a scrape on exit. Don't cut, grade a scrape on exit. 450, keep right. 300. 200, keep right. And keep right. 500 metres, keep left, then 20, keep left, slippery. 200, keep left, then keep left, slippery. 100, keep left, then keep left, slippery. Got 900 metres, then turn right. That's still 600 metres. 500 metres, turn right. 400, 300, 200, 100, turn right, then 40, flying finish, drop on outside, caution. Turn right, drop on outside.